Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. If you're new here, kindly click on the subscribe icon below before we continue. In today's video, we're making a waterfall jacket and we'll be needing a fabric, scissors, measuring tape and a chalk. So let's get started. Now you fold your fabric into two. For this video, I'm using 2 yards of fabric, making sure it is well aligned, and you fold into another half, still aligning it properly. As you can see, I'm making sure it is well aligned. Once you're sure that it has been properly aligned, you take your measuring tape and measure from top to bottom. Here I'm using then 27 inches because I want my jacket a bit long. Make sure you secure the tape at the top of the folded fabric and measure 27 all through. Remember to secure the tape at the top properly so as to get accurate measurement. My fabric is kind of thick, so it's kind of hard writing on it. That's why you can see that I'm struggling to write on the fabric. Once you're done, you join the markings together so as to make it easy to cut. Then you pick your scissors and cut, following the lines as you've marked it. Once you're done cutting, you open the fabric, laying it straight on your table. Remember to keep it really aligned. From the top, you measure 8 inches. It depends on what you want. You can measure 13 inches, 17 inches, depends on how you want your collar. That's going to form the collar of your jacket. Then you put your shoulder measurement, that's shoulder measurement divided by 2. Mine is 8. You mark it, then you draw a straight line. After which you impute your armhole measurement. Mine is 8, so I mark 8 inches. That's for your armhole measurement. Then you join the 2 lines together. Then I measure 3 inches upward and 3 inches downwards. That's on both sides. 3 inches upward, 3 inches downward. Then I form a circle with it. Just be sure that it's properly circled. I'm double checking my armhole measurement again. Then I get my scissors and notch it just gently, small part, just to create a hole where the scissors can go in. Then I cut, following the line that I've created, circle I created with my chalk, carefully so as not to make any mistake. As you can see, my jacket is ready. My fabric is such that I don't need to hem it, so I'm just going to wear it like that.
If yours isn't like mine, all you need to do is just to hem the edges of your fabric and your jacket is ready. Kindly give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell so as to get alerted anytime I put up a new video. Thanks for watching.